All right, so everything I'm doing, I'm trying to add AI and definitely Chat GPT, the open AI, artificial intelligence somehow. But my son has this video that I'm going to upload on the channel, and he's driving. I already put it on his channel, so I'm going to at him, and then we have music playing, and I decided I wanted to make a poem. So if you look at it, here is the poem. So I said, please write a poem about driving down the riverside, looking at the sunset. At some point, put Chat GPT in the program and make it last for about 60 seconds, as if I was reading. So it did a nice poem, and I'm sure it was going to be good. But then I realized as I read through it that it talked about the where was it at? The clouds. Oh, there you go. So it talked about the clouds, and which that would have been great, but there were no clouds on this particular video. So I said, the day we were driving, there were no clouds in the sky. It was a beautiful blue sky. Please change the poem to reflect this. And there you go. So we're going to take this text. Let's see here. Take this text and head to my AI Revoicer app, and we're going to use Tyler. Tyler is the popular guy around here. Let's take this out. Yes, I like. We will, but not right now. Okay, I love Revoicer. So here you go, and let's get to Tyler. Let's see what Tyler sounds like.
As I drive down Riverside, the sun begins to set.
We're going with Tyler. Let's go. So I'm going to generate my audio. As easy as that, guys. Look at that. And then I'm going to scroll down and download my audio. You can't see it downloading or anything, but you know I just did. And then we're going to play here.
As I drive down Riverside, the sun begins to set.
So there you go, guys. And after that, I'm going to do some editing here. So let's just start a new project. And normally I would like to put everything, that's my son. Normally I would like to put everything in a video so I know where it's at, but I'm not going to use this a lot. And so let's watch this here. And actually I think I'm still put everything in the video, so it's just everything in a folder so it's easy to find. So we need Tyler and we need my son's video, and we're going to put Tyler in there, and we're going to put the sunset in there. Let's call this Chat GPT drive. Chat, so it's easier for me to find it, and it goes up to the top. You see I got a lot of stuff on my desktop. So GPT drive video, and then we're going to go back to here, and I can find it easier. Watch this, a lot easier, see? And just add this stuff here and just give you a quick sample. This video is a little bit less than a minute, and poem looks like it's a lot longer, but we'll figure something out.
As I drive down Riverside, the sun begins to set. Against a backdrop of blue sky that's hard to forget, the colors of the sunset are vivid and bright, reflecting in the river with a brilliant light. As the sun disappears beyond the trees, I'm left with a sense of tranquility. A memory.
Ooh, all right. So we're gonna do that, and although it has a little bit more, I'm gonna hear what it says right here. What you got?
Moment to keep. A day on Riverside I'll never forget. So deep. Thank you, Chat GPT, for lending a hand and helping me to express and understand the beauty of the sunset and the blue sky. As I drove down Riverside, feeling so alive.
See, I want to put it on there, but I'm not. We're just going to stop it right here. Let's see. Take this there.
Peers
And
beyond the trees. I'm left with a sense of tranquility. A memory to cherish, a moment to keep.
all right, guys. Well, thank you so much. And we're going to put this together. And I will talk to you soon. It's Greg Reese from VIP Guide.